have to realize that leadership is not a position of power. Dati kasi puro power eh. Leadership is a position of service. You're serving the company, you're serving your customers, but more importantly, you're serving the people who have been assigned to you. You have been assigned to me. Basta ako, ginawa ko na yung best ko. May mga tao na ka-assign sa inyo. You have to do your best also to enlarge them. Dapat yung tatak mo, kapag dumaan sa'yo, diba, lumalago. Whether they will admit it or not is no longer your issue. Basta ako, I want you to be better when you leave me than when you join me.